thermal recasting and thermal pads replacement on Asus TUF FX905G gaming laptop. Thank you, Sir Ederal, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Thermal recasting and thermal pads replacement on a laptop is a good move, especially if a device is experiencing overheating or thermal throttling. Over time, the thermal paste can dry out and lose its effectiveness, which impairs heat transfer from the CPU and GPU to the heat sink. Replacing the thermal paste can significantly improve cooling efficiency, leading to better performance and a longer lifespan for the components. At PTT IT Solutions, we provide precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure every repair is handled with care. Thermal recasting and thermal pad replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your thermal recasting and thermal pad replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.